Hi, my name is Jackson from Matter Solutions, and today I'll be talking to you about 3 tools from Google that are completely free that will help you with your digital marketing. The 3 tools that I'll be discussing with you today are Google Trends, Google My Business, and Google Alerts. Before I get into this video, if you like the content we're putting out, please leave a like. If you have any comments or queries or questions, leave those in the comment section below and we'll get right into this video. So what is Google Trends? Google Trends allows you to search a topic over a given period of time. Maybe you want to see how polar bears have been trending in search from August to September last year. You can check that out in Google Trends. It shows you all the data from that period of time and how popular different search terms and topics have been. This is obviously a really useful tool for digital marketers because you can track and observe trends over given periods of time. You can then use this data to assist with your next digital marketing strategy. Second is Google My Business. What is Google My Business? I would liken it to Yellow Pages, but it's on the internet. You can list your business with Google and it will show you at a glance what your business trading hours are, what products and services you offer, maybe even a contact page or a special deal you have going on at that time. A Google My Business listing also assists with your SEO because it tells Google that you're an authority on a particular subject. So the third topic we'll be talking about today is Google Alerts. Google Alerts is effectively adding a tracking device to a keyword or a topic that you're interested in, and then Google will give you a report at your discretion on the data that it's received on that topic or keyword over a period of time. This is obviously a really useful tool for digital marketers because it allows you to track data, track trends, track topics, and collate that data to then use in your next digital marketing strategy. So I'm Jackson. This has been a great video from Matter Solutions. If you like it, please leave a like. If you have any comments, questions, or queries, please leave those in the comments section below. We have actually linked these 3 tools as well in the description. If you want to check out any more of our great content, I'm sure we have lots of links here. You can also subscribe so you get alerts for when that new content comes along. I'm Jackson and I look forward to seeing you in our next great video.